Hi, Scott Nido, founder of Fairway Exteriors here in Kansas City. Before I founded Fairway Exteriors, I worked at James Hardie for almost 2 decades. One of the amazing things about James Hardie is there's so many colors and styles and shapes. And so overwhelmingly, most people install the standard James Hardie lap siding. It's 8 1/4 lap siding in cedar motor smooth. They also make a panel product for vertical board and batten. They have a panels and channels product, and they also have a shingle product that's very popular with so many kind of older Cape Cods, older wood style homes here. They also have a high-end luxury line called Artisan. And within Artisan, you can get a very similar looking product to their 5/16 lap siding. It's 8 1/4, but it's 7/16 inch thick. So it's almost a 1/2 inch thick. It's beefier, you get deeper shadow lines. It almost looks like a really high-end lake house somewhere up in Minnesota or Wisconsin or Canada. Okay, it's a beautiful looking home. They also have a lot of different high-end flat panel looking products. I mean, they have a shiplap product, they have a square channel, they have a V-groove. Normally, when homeowners show me beautiful looking homes on the coast of somewhere in the West Coast, California, Arizona, Seattle, they're multi-million-dollar homes that are lap siding. A lot of times that is more the shiplap or the V-groove. Hardie has that product. It costs like 7 times more, so we talk about it quite a bit and no one really ever buys it. But if you want a really unique feature on the front of your home, it's something we can definitely talk about.